Here you can see I got the floor done. A little over 200 square feet. Turned out perfect. I'll tell you, Bob is like the master of disaster. He takes no shortcuts, and by God, if he's gonna do something, he does it right. We ripped out this cabinet. Gonna put a chest of drawers there, probably about this tall, and still got some. Of course, I had to bring my luggage here. Still testing out this idea. Not quite sure yet, but now the next step is secure all the walls, beef this up like we talked about. The leaks have stopped. There's no more leaks. So now I can do my trim, paint the ceiling, get this window put back together, and then get the shower starting to be cleaned. Cleaned up this area pretty good, and get the floor in there as well. And it's looking a lot better. Smells really a lot better. And now it's just trim and fine tuning. So I'll get back with you tomorrow. So great day today. Last 2 days, incredible. Floor looks just incredible. All right, have a good night.